welcome back to my channel. It's Chisom here, and today I have this wig to review for you guys. But quick disclaimer, like if I appear like a narcissist or too vain during the duration of this video, then just bear with me because like this hair is just making me like, I'm sorry, this hair is just really making me feel myself. Alright, let's get into the video. So I purchased this hair from Wig Types. I saw other websites that carried it, but like they were just ridiculously expensive, and I'm like, why are you doing, like, why? This is the same wig, so why are you inflating your price? So I purchased it there and everything came up to $32. That's including shipping. And guys, when I tell you that this shipping was faster than Amazon Prime, like I bought it today and it literally came the next day. I didn't mean it came 2 days after, like it literally came the next day. So shipping was fast. Like the wig got here even before me opening like the box. Like I was already so happy. Like when I saw the curl pattern from the box, like I was so excited. So this wig is the Sensationnel Empress lace wig in the style Brooklyn and in the color 1B. And you guys, like, one thing that I like about 1B is that it has, like, it's black, but it has this natural blackness to it. It's not like jet black, and I feel like if this hair was like jet black, it would have looked more synthetic-y, but like this makes it look more human hair-y, if you understand what I mean. So I advise you, if you're going to go for like a black color, get 1B instead of black, because that's natural and it goes on all skin tones. So this hair is pretty long. It's very long, you guys. Like this hair is almost, it's, what am I talking about? Almost, this hair is in the middle of my butt, you guys. Let me stand up real quick and show you what I'm talking about. It's in the middle of my butt, you can imagine. Like, so I'm about like maybe 5'8", 5'7", I don't know my real height, but something around that range. So let's say you're like 5'5" and below, this hair should be reaching, maybe your knees or something. I'm just kidding, you guys, but like it's super long, so just take note of that. And if you're on the skinny side like I am, that's another thing to consider. I mean, I don't mind it, but like if you feel like having this much hair, because like the hair is quite, like it's quite a lot, so if you feel like having this much hair will make you look like a toothpick, like that's the way I usually feel with like hair like this. But I'm just going to wing it for this one because it actually looks so nice. So that is another thing to consider. So according to them, it's a 3-way part, so you can like move it to the side, middle, or the side again. But personally, I don't feel like I would do that. If I want to move it to the side, I won't shift like the parting side. What I would just do is maybe something like this. Just take maybe a little hair from the other side, and little hair from the side, and move it to the side that I want it to be. I won't move like the whole thing to the left or to the right. So far this hair feels soft, very minimal shedding, probably because this is my first day wearing it. With time, I'll be able to see how much of a nuisance it will be, because it's a long, curly, synthetic hair, and the implication of that. So, but so far, like I said, like I haven't experienced much tangling, no shedding at all. It looks so wonderful. Like I have no complaints about this hair at all. Like this is such a human hair dupe. Like even in person, on camera, like if I didn't tell you guys that this thing was synthetic, I don't feel like anyone off the bat to be like, oh, that's a synthetic hair. I don't think so. This is not something that you have to revive with powder or anything. Like it doesn't even look synthetic. So it's I'm getting emotional again. Like it is so good, you guys, and it's worth the money. Like $32 for this, for the length, for the look, for the feel. $32 like is freaking chicken change. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this hair. And you guys, like, the fit on my head. I've never like had any wig that snugs so perfectly. It's either it's too tight and it's giving me a headache, or like it's too loose and I have to like tighten it with the band thing behind. But this hair is like, you don't even need to secure it with the combs inside. Like it is so good. Like, so if you have like a medium sized head, which I believe I have, then just know it's going to fit snug. So I don't know about a larger head. I feel like it should still be snug, and it's small. Honestly, like it should be snug for everybody. Like you guys, like, let me calm down and talk. It should be snug for everybody, because like, you know, I just feel like it should be that way. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this wig. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, does it look synthetic? Does it look like human hair? Are you going to get it? Are you not? Just talk to me in the comment section. I know you guys want to talk to me, but in case I have new people watching this video, let me know what you think about it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more synthetic units, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.